Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making chicken karahi. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let's start. In a hot wok, add half cup oil, 750 grams of chicken. Cook on high flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 1 large onion slices, half cup tomatoes chopped, 2 tablespoons ginger paste. Mix well and cook again for 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon red chili powder. Now give a good mix. Add half cup water. Cover and cook on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 6 green chilies. Now add half cup yogurt. Cook on high flame until oil separates from the gravy. Now add half teaspoon of whole spices powder, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves. Add 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves. Now cover and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Now give a good mix and take out from the wok. Now it's ready to eat. Try it, love it and eat it and tell me how it is. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.